Happy Friday, everybody. Mr. Cohen here. Today we're going to be multiplying and dividing with multiples of 10. Alright, multiplying and dividing with multiples of 10. That may sound confusing, but we're going to jump right in and I'm going to show you it's actually pretty simple. So I'm going to begin with this basic fact of 8 times 3, and I'm going to show you how that will help me solve 80 times 3 and 800 times 3. Since I know my multiplication facts, I know that 8 times 3 is 24. Now to solve 80 times 3, I want to notice what's similar. I see the 8 is pretty similar here, and the 3 is exactly the same. The only difference is we've got the 0 tacked onto the end of that 8 to make it 80. So my answer here, I'm just going to tack the 0 on the end of it. There's 1 0 in this problem that got added on. I'm just going to add that 1 0 onto my answer from my basic fact. Same thing with 800 times 3. The base of the problem is pretty much the same, but I've added 2 zeros onto the end of it. So I'm going to add those 2 zeros on here. So 80 times 3 is 240. 800 times 3 is 2,400. Let's move on to a division problem. We've got 24 divided by 6. I know that this is 4. Cat interruption. The same basic principle is going to apply. My base answer is going to be 4, but if I take a look, we added 1 more 0 onto there. So 240 divided by 6 is going to be 40. Same thing down here. 2 zeros added onto the problem. Looks pretty much the same otherwise. 2,400 divided by 6 is going to be 400. Now you know what 2,400 divided by 6 is. You're the life of the party. Well, that's it, guys. Another excellent week of distance learning down. Your independent work today is Math Journal page 279. Make sure you send a picture of that to me either with Gmail or on Parent Square. I will see you guys on Monday. Later.